Good morning, class 6. So, I guess you all are doing fine, good, and happy, healthy, safe, staying at home, doing your studies, as well as being with your parents, respecting them, listening to them, and taking care of yourselves and following a disciplined life. So, we were on SSC, and we were doing your all people are equal. So we'll go back to that page, and we are going to do today is we had left at the caste based discrimination. We had done that. I'll just read that so that we'll be in touch with it. The word Dalit means broken, that is discrimination has broken a particular class. The government calls them scheduled castes, the Dalits. In the caste system, different castes such as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras were placed at different levels. Yesterday I explained these to you. Those on the higher level considered themselves to be superior, while those on the lower levels were considered as untouchables. Caste rules were rigid. They did not allow the so-called untouchables to do any other jobs. They were not allowed to enter the area where the houses of the upper castes were located. Untouchable families could not draw water from the village well or enter temples or schools. Therefore, they were discriminated against and had no rights. This kind of discrimination robbed them of respect and dignity. Isn't it? Isn't it bad that you are not allowed to drink water from the same tap? You are not allowed to use water. What is there? What is there in my color and what is there in my caste? These things have to stop. We have to respect each and every human being. Right? Pandemic is not seeing any caste. Higher caste, lower caste. Now what will the pandemic do? It's gone touched, corona has touched some lower caste, and that corona has come to an upper caste. What will the upper caste say? No, you have touched that untouchable person, you don't come to me. Will corona listen? I respect people. Don't discriminate. That's what's the main issue out here. Fighting for equality. During the freedom struggle, Dalits, women, tribals and farmers fought not only for freedom from foreign rulers but also for dignity and equality. Foreign rulers were the British, the French, the Portuguese at that time. For example, women wanted to be educated just like the men. Dalits fought for the right to enter temples, and farmers and tribals wanted to be free of the control of moneylenders who charged high rate interests. The Constitution of India, which contains all laws and rules and regulations of the land. What is the law? Gives equal rights to both men and women and does not allow any discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. 2. Give power to the state to favor disadvantaged groups. The state has got power to take care of the disadvantaged groups. Categories for whom special steps can be taken by the government are women and children, scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes, other backward classes and minority people, physically challenged people. These the state can take care of. They can do something for them. The Constitution says that it will be the duty of the state to protect the weaker and the backward sections. From social injustice. That's what I thought. Justice, social justice. How can they say it's from injustice? They cannot be manipulated. They cannot be bluffed. Seats are reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the legislatures and educational systems, government offices. Job security is the quota is there. Now according to your educational qualification you can apply for that. Chances are there for you to get a job. Those people who are scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes, they have few quotas in the sections to get and in schools for admission. Now the state is also saying, I am giving one small example. I was listening on the radio, the state is giving, the Bihar state of Bihar is giving free food to the children who come to school in the government schools. So they are giving some money or something, they have told. Even if the child does not come to school, if the name is there, enrolled, so there will be an information sent and the parents have to go and collect that money to buy food for the children so that they don't suffer during this pandemic and they should be fit and fine. That's why I tell you in each recording you have to be fit, fine and healthy. Whatever has happened and whatever will happen will be good. Past is dead. Whatever is happening, we are fighting. Whatever will happen for good. We don't know. But whatever will happen for good. Be positive. What's happened, forget about it. Caste system happened, people were degraded. This was always happening before the British came in. Now we have to go to Gandhiji's part, the civil disobedience, the Swaraj movement. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he tried to stop sati, he tried to stop the child marriage. He taught children. Pandita Ramabai, she wanted to teach the women. Her father was thrown out of the house because he tried to teach her mother education. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, he wanted to stop the parda system in the women of Muslim women. He made schools for girls. He said freedom will not come or the society will not become good if the position of the women are not properly made. And education is needed for everybody. So we have to go back into that time. Landlords, the feudal system was going on. Okay, you want money, give me that land. And when he comes to pay the money, he says, no, you are paying it, your interest has gone up. Minorities not getting food, people were dying in Odisha at Kalahandi. Malnutrition, children are born and dying. Dayanand Saraswati, the Arya Samaj, our Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the Brahma Samaj. To worship God, you don't have to do rituals. To worship God, you can just pray to Him. Rituals cost a lot of money. The people who do the rituals say that this is going to cost this much. They read in Sanskrit, you don't understand. Books were translated into the normal language so that people could understand what's happening. Right? They were fighting for freedom. At the same time, they wanted their dignity also, respect. We are not allowed to go into anyone's house. We are not allowed to drink water. Imagine if this situation happens now, what will you do? Separate schools for each caste. No? Then where is the equality gone? Where is the democracy gone? Where is the unity of diversity gone? The main thing is equality. We have to think very equally. Suppose you are studying in class 6. Or you are studying in class 6. I cannot suppose that. You are in class 6. You need help. I am talking about in your religion only, Hindu religion. Or if you are a Muslim or Muslim religion. So if you need help from your friend, you look for your own religion type of person. Or own caste to help you out. Maybe that lower caste boy, whoever is it, or girl, is a caste lower than you and that must be doing well in class. So will you take help from that child or you look for your group? Stop, we have to stop this. It is stopped normally. Think big in a huge way, in an open way, exaggerated way, large way. Open your mind. So how will you open your mind? Only if you study, if you read, if you gather knowledge, you will come to know everything. Read about these people. It's not only reading and doing the question answer at the back. Again, I am coming back to that question answer. I don't know. That has hurt me very much. I'll come back in the next video.